Hello agents, happy Friday, March 4th, 2022. Just wanted to get on really quick, tell you about this awesome new MYGA that just released, 3.4 for 8 years. This is a new rate. It's fully loaded, withdrawal benefit, full death benefit, all that good stuff. It does have a 30-day window at the end of the 8th year. That's the only trick. So let's take a look at it. This reminds me of a product we had not long ago that was 4.1 for 6 years, and that rate just dropped into the 2 shortly after. So I don't know what the future brings, but the 10-year treasury has dropped from 2.02 to 1.7 in the last few days. So that's a 30 basis point drop. These rates were set before that drop went into place. So let's take a quick look at this product. I did this little PDF on it. You can find this on my LinkedIn page. The rate is 3.4. It's got a contractual minimum after that of 1. It's a client-friendly product, full death benefit, 10% free withdrawal, interest withdrawals after during the first year. This thing is 18 to 85 issue ages. That is incorrect saying 0. It is 18 to 85. Has a pretty large surrender, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and then you have a 30-day window at the end. They do an awesome job on the illustration, by the way. They actually break off that last year so it matches. You don't have that difference in the surrender value. It shows the 30-day window matching off, which I really like. Not a lot of companies do that. $20,000 minimum to receive that 3.4 rate. So there's not like a $250,000 threshold you need to meet. Again, the commission's 1.45, 0 to 75, actually 18 to 75. So it's low, but it's a really great deal. That's how they're getting that extra yield, is by, bumping out some of that comp. Not available in those states right there: Alabama, New York, Mississippi, Montana, West Virginia, and Vermont. Pause it here to see more. It's an A-rated carrier, very strong. And we'll go ahead and look at the next page here. This is a sample illustration. So this is what I was showing you. See, if you look down here on the 8th year, you see how it matches off and you have that 30-day window. So $1 million would earn $306,000. That's 30.67% guaranteed in 8 years. Hard to beat. Let's see you do that on hypotheticals. There's the numbers for you right there. Again, here's the Annuity Experts. You can just click on this if you want an illustration, or bring you right to our website. This is real quick. I did a split annuity with it. So $500,000 in. Here's how it would break down. You guys can pause the screen if you want to read it, so I don't make a really long video here. But basically, you get $1,300 a month and your $500,000 at the end. And should it be fully excluded money, after tax money, it's a 92% exclusion ratio. It's great for a little bump in between, if someone needs a little hedge of money there between Social Security, let's say, kicking in. So if you're 57, you want a little term. So you guys know how that works anyway. Hope you all have a great weekend. Again, happy Friday. And I want to thank all the agents for calling in this week. I love that. Being busy makes my week fly by. I can't believe it's Friday already. And this is the number here. You have any questions, give us a call. Woo, I turned black. Okay. Anyway, have a great day, and we will talk to you soon. Bye now.